Everything you have heard about likes and clicks on Facebook is lies. All lies. Every bit of it. Lies. Hi, friend. I'm Baxter Cribbs here with you, and welcome to my channel. And if you have not done so already, if you will, click on the red button below this video and subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that you will get notifications on my next video when it comes out, and we can continue to grow together, because as I learn stuff and share it with you, then you can learn hopefully off of that as well. So now, what this man said about Facebook likes and clicks is what we want to talk about today, because it is of the utmost importance, and we're going to start this right now. Now, this man says you don't need a website to make money. This man says, don't worry about likes and clicks, because that's not what makes you money. Now, what's wrong with that, my friend? Isn't that what we've been taught forever and ever, that you got to get likes, then you can turn them people into leads, and then you can follow up with them, and then it finally somewhere along the point in the line that they will then buy from you? Well, having successfully run over 10 million in ads on Facebook for many celebrity clients in over 40 industries, Curt Maly knows a thing or two on how to use social media for marketing for any business and in any niche. And in this exclusive interview, Curt provides world-class insights into how the Facebook algorithm actually works. He talks about how a funnel works and which part you should work on when you have the thing set up in the right way. And most of the metrics you think are important are not. And the new data shows that most old, tried and true advertising methods simply don't work anymore. My friend, watch the interview below to learn how to choose the right optimization goals for your campaigns on Facebook. And if you will, click on the link that's down below this in the description box that looks exactly like this link right here to get access to this interview, where he will reveal this world-class information for you. My friends, thank you for stopping by, and I will see you on the next video. Click on the link. You'll be glad you did.